Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare lemon squeezy versus paddle. Let's explore the core differences between these two approaches. We'll examine how lemon squeezy emphasizes simplicity and quick results, often with less direct control. Conversely, the paddle method highlights the importance of active participation and refined technique. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which strategy best suits your goals, whether you prioritize speed or mastery. The lemon squeezy approach offers significant advantages when speed and ease are paramount. Think about tasks that can be automated or streamlined, reducing the need for complex decision-making. This method is perfect for situations where a good enough outcome is acceptable, allowing you to move on to other priorities without getting bogged down. It's about efficiency and getting things done without overthinking. On the other hand, the paddle approach is all about deliberate action and refined execution. This method is chosen when precision, quality, and a tailored outcome are essential. While it may demand more initial effort and a learning curve, the investment often pays off with superior results and a sense of accomplishment. It's about actively shaping the outcome, much like a craftsman perfecting their work. Ultimately, the choice between lemon squeezy and paddle depends on your specific context. For routine tasks, simplicity often wins, saving you precious time. However, for critical projects requiring finesse, embracing the paddle method ensures a higher standard. Weigh your priorities carefully to make the best decision for each situation. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.